Welcome to Learner Autonomy. In this day, we shall embark on a journey to delve deeper into the intriguing realm of self-help and the multitude of ways in which it can bring about positive changes in various facets of our lives. Be it enhancing our personal growth or achieving greater success in our careers, self-help holds the power to catalyze transformative experiences that can better our lives. In the following discussion, we will explore the multifaceted life of Samuel Smile and its impact on the concept of self-help. To better grasp the significance of this notion, we will investigate the book Self-Help and its core principles, analyzing how they can be translated into practical guidance for everyday life. Moreover, we will examine the impact of self-help on various aspects of personal growth, such as success, mental and emotional well-being, relationships, financial stability, productivity, time management, motivation, and accountability. Lastly, we will consider any potential critiques or misunderstandings of self-help. Who is Samuel Smile? Samuel Smile, a renowned Scottish author and influential social reformer, lived a long and fruitful life spanning from 1812 to 1904. Among his many noteworthy contributions to literature and society, his book titled Self-Help stands out as a remarkable work. Originally published in 1859, this masterpiece instantly captured the imagination of readers and achieved unprecedented success. Born in the quaint town of Haddington, located in Scotland, William Smile was brought up in a bustling home that consisted of a total of 11 siblings. It is worth noting that his father was a deeply committed Presbyterian minister whose strict nature was not lost on young Smile. Until the tender age of 14, he was primarily educated at home. Following his academic tenure, Smile had his first job as a clerk, but he eventually found his calling in journalism, which paved the way for his current career as a prolific full-time writer. What is self-help? The idea of self-help centers on the belief that individuals can take deliberate steps to enhance their lives by focusing on personal development. It encompasses assuming accountability for one's growth and welfare by actively seeking out opportunities for self-improvement in diverse facets of life. By consistently working to better oneself, individuals can become their best selves and achieve their goals. The practice of self-help encompasses various methodologies aimed to aid individuals in achieving their goals for better personal growth and thus, success and happiness in life. With the help of various resources including books, blogs, articles, and workshops, people can gain valuable insights into self-improvement techniques that can aid in enhancing their skills, knowledge, and abilities. By doing so, they can create new opportunities for themselves that lead to more favorable outcomes across different aspects of their lives. The book Self-Help. Self-Help, a literary gem penned by Samuel Smiles in 1859, can undoubtedly be regarded as one of the most impactful self-improvement books ever written. Containing an assortment of real-life anecdotes, this book extols the virtues of hard work, perseverance, and determination, and proffers a vivid description of individuals who scaled the heights of success through these attributes. The book uniquely underscores the paramountcy of self-reliance and personal accountability in effecting lasting changes in one's life, leading to a life of satisfaction and triumph. The book is truly remarkable because it conveys a powerful message that success is not defined by a person's social standing or financial resources, but rather by the quality of their character and the actions they take. Readers are encouraged to seize the reins of their lives, establish goals, and labor diligently to accomplish them. Self-help has motivated an untold number of men and women to pursue their ambitions and surmount adversity, endowing it with lasting appeal as an enduring classic in the realm of self-improvement writing. The key themes of self-help. Self-help is a captivating book that delves into the multifaceted themes of perseverance, hard work, and self-discipline. These integral concepts are fundamental for achieving success in all areas of life, ranging from personal relationships to career advancement and beyond. The book underlines that taking ownership of one's life is vital and encourages readers to seize every opportunity that comes their way. By stressing the significance of being self-reliant and making the most of one's strengths, self-help inspires readers to take control of their lives and strive for excellence. The primary concepts of self-help offer practical value in everyday life through the establishment of clear objectives, cultivation of positive habits, and unwavering commitment to their accomplishment. It asserts that exercising self-control and persistence enables individuals to surmount challenges and attain triumph in their personal and occupational realms. The literature motivates its readers to embrace responsibility in the construction of their future and instills the importance of steadfastly pursuing their aspirations. Self-help and personal growth. Self-help entails more than just addressing problems or surmounting obstacles. It also encompasses personal growth and development. By assuming accountability for our own lives and actively striving towards self-improvement, we can surpass our current limitations and reach our full potential, which will allow us to successfully accomplish our objectives. By engaging in self-improvement techniques like establishing clear objectives, expressing appreciation, and fostering affirmative routines, we can nurture a mindset that values progression. Pursuing personal development involves perpetual refinement, yet by adopting self-help methodologies, we can steadily move forward each day towards our ideal selves. The benefits of self-help. Engaging in the practice of self-help can reap a multitude of advantages for your personal growth and overall well-being. In addition to enhancing your self-assurance and self-worth, it can also help foster stronger, more meaningful connections with the people in your life. Additionally, honing your skills in self-help can lead to improved efficiency, motivation, and effectiveness in all of your endeavors. By assuming full responsibility for your own development and progress, you have the power to realize success in every aspect of your life. Furthermore, making a conscious effort to engage in self-improvement through self-help techniques can prove instrumental in enabling you to surmount various roadblocks and hurdles that may manifest along your life's journey. It affords you the opportunity to equip yourself with the requisite knowledge, skills, and tactics that can aid in steering you through challenging circumstances and emerging more resilient than before. Devoting your time and energy to cultivating your personal and inner self inevitably positions you to lead a more satisfying, accomplished life. Self-help and success. Self-help entails much more than just self-improvement. It also pertains to attaining success in all aspects of a person's life. Engaging in self-help practices empowers individuals to foster the essential skills and mindset that enable them to triumph over their obstacles, meet their targets, and actualize their full potential. Self-help is a powerful tool that can assist individuals in achieving success in various aspects of life such as careers, relationships, finances, and personal growth. With the assistance of self-help, people can learn to take charge of their lives and become mindful decision-makers who strive for positive results. It provides a path for individuals to improve their abilities and attain their goals by exploring their abilities and staying motivated to achieve the desired outcomes. The criticisms of self-help. Self-help has been subject to criticism owing to its inclination towards an individualistic problem-solving approach. The criticism is on the grounds that such an approach leads to a dearth of empathy and creates a divide towards others' struggles. Critics argue that the emphasis on self-improvement sidelines the significance of community and social responsibility in tackling challenges. Self-help literature has faced scrutiny for the tendency to simplify intricate issues and offer idealistic solutions to significant problems. Consequently, individuals consuming such content may develop misplaced optimism that these solutions will work effectively, only to be let down when the solutions do not deliver desired outcomes. Self-help and mental health. Self-help encompasses much more than mere success or financial stability attainment. Engaging in self-help techniques can remarkably enhance our mental health and overall well-being. By doing so, we become better equipped to effectively manage mental health challenges that may be impacting our daily lives such as stress, anxiety, and other related issues. Self-help techniques provide us with an opportunity to delve into the depths of our psyche and cultivate a more profound comprehension of ourselves and our emotional landscape. These methods empower us with the tools and skills needed to confront and handle challenging circumstances in a productive and wholesome manner. As we learn to gain mastery over our thoughts and feelings, we create a positive impact on our mental health and overall well-being. The results of these pursuits are a sense of contentment and joy in all aspects of our lives, making our existence supremely gratifying and satisfying. Self-help and relationships. Self-help goes beyond achieving personal accomplishments. It can also significantly improve our relationships with others. As we deepen our self-awareness and gain a better understanding of our desires and necessities, we enhance our communication skills, resulting in more profound and more nourishing connections with the people in our lives. Simultaneously, the act of engaging in self-help can facilitate our ability to identify detrimental patterns within our personal and professional relationships, while also making strides towards altering them. When we take ownership of our actions and feelings, we open ourselves up to the possibility of breaking free from harmful cycles, and ultimately cultivating more positive and fulfilling connections with others. Self-help and career. Self-help is a multifaceted concept that encompasses more than just personal development. It has the potential to boost one's professional life as well. A person who engages in self-help can acquire valuable skills such as effective time management, targeted goal setting, and increased motivation, all of which can greatly impact their performance and ultimately help them achieve the career success they desire. By taking proactive steps to improve themselves, individuals can unlock their full potential and elevate their professional outcomes. In addition to its many benefits, self-help can aid people in cultivating a constructive outlook on life, a vital component for prosperity, regardless of one's pursuits. By emphasizing solutions rather than dwelling on challenges, individuals can tackle obstacles with a sense of certainty and determination. Self-help and financial success. Self-help is a holistic approach that can boost not only your mindset and emotional well-being but also pave the way for financial prosperity. In embracing the principles of self-help, engaging in effective financial management, setting clear financial objectives, and devising a robust action plan to meet them all become a feasible possibility. Employing such a strategy can help you harness the power of self-help to increase your financial wealth and success. Assuming accountability for one's life is a fundamental facet of self-improvement and personal growth. It involves taking a proactive approach to managing one's financial affairs and making informed choices that are geared towards attaining financial objectives. Acquiring the skills necessary to budget, save and invest astutely can prove pivotal to the establishment of a firm financial base, which underpins financial prosperity in the future. Self-help and personal productivity. Self-help entails more than just enhancing your emotional and mental welfare. It can also elevate your personal productivity by adopting favorable habits and routines, effectively amplifying your efficacy and escalating output whilst consuming less time. To enhance your personal productivity, it is helpful to establish clear objectives, rank your to-do list based on importance, efficiently allocate your time, and minimize any hindrances that may impede your progress. To achieve these objectives and integrate them into your daily routine, you can seek direction and assistance from self-help resources, which offer valuable guidance and support. Self-help and time management. Time management is a crucial skill that can greatly improve one's productivity and reduce stress. Self-help provides valuable insights and techniques to help individuals manage their time more effectively. One such technique is prioritization, which involves identifying the most important tasks and allocating time accordingly. Another technique is time blocking, which involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks. By applying these techniques, individuals can make the most of their time and achieve their goals more efficiently. In addition to these techniques, self-help also emphasizes the importance of self-discipline and focus in time management. Distractions such as social media and email can easily eat up valuable time, but by staying disciplined and focused on the task at hand, individuals can stay on track and accomplish more in less time. Self-help also encourages individuals to take breaks and recharge, as burnout can be counterproductive to effective time management. Self-help and goal setting. The act of setting goals is crucial for individuals who are committed to personal growth and development, and self-help is a valuable resource that provides effective tools for achieving these aims. One of the key strategies for successful goal setting is to break down major objectives into smaller, more achievable tasks. By doing so, individuals can track their progress more easily, maintain motivation, and make continuous strides toward their desired outcomes. This approach creates a sense of momentum and helps individuals consistently move in a positive direction. Self-help is not only about providing guidance and techniques for personal growth but also about keeping individuals motivated and inspired as they strive towards their goals. It helps individuals to stay on track, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks, by teaching visualization techniques and positive affirmations. By incorporating these techniques into their daily routine, individuals can maintain a positive mindset and a laser-like focus on their goals throughout the goal-setting process, thereby increasing their chances of success. Self-help and motivation. Self-help does not solely revolve around accomplishing our objectives. It also encompasses discovering the inner desire and determination to chase them relentlessly. Once we recognize our true inclinations and acquire the skills to nurture a constructive attitude, we can unleash our complete capabilities and fulfill significant aspirations. Self-help techniques can significantly enhance our motivation levels by aiding us in recognizing our values and aligning our objectives with them. When we possess a precise understanding of our goals and the direction we intend to take, we are more inclined to remain motivated and fixated on what holds the highest significance for us. This implies that self-help can be a potent tool for harnessing our true potential and inspiring us to achieve our ambitions. Self-help and personal responsibility. The practice of self-help transcends a mere catalog of techniques and strategies. It embodies a way of life that puts the onus of personal responsibility and taking command of one's life front and center. Those who cultivate the habit of self-help can acquire the aptitude and mindset to triumph over circumstances and realize their aspirations. Self-help is a practice that emphasizes personal responsibility as a fundamental aspect of achieving personal growth. This means that individuals must take accountability for their actions and choices, and acknowledge that they have the ability to effect positive change in their lives. When one embraces personal responsibility, they can effectively navigate through challenges and triumph in both their personal and professional endeavors. The power to alter one's reality lies within their willingness to hold themselves accountable for their choices and actions. Conclusion. To sum up, our exploration of the life and work of Samuel Smile and his book Self-Help has provided us with a deep understanding of the concept of self-help. We have discussed its crucial role in personal development as it empowers individuals to take charge of their lives and overcome obstacles. The key themes of self-help, including perseverance, frugality, and character building, can be practically applied in various aspects of life, such as one's career, finances, relationships, and personal productivity. However, it is important to acknowledge the criticisms of self-help and to maintain a balanced perspective. Although self-help can undoubtedly aid personal growth, seeking professional help when necessary should never be overlooked. Ultimately, incorporating elements of self-help into one's life can lead to a more fulfilling and prosperous existence. The self-help movement promotes the value of accepting responsibility for one's own life, which in turn gives us the ability to bring about positive changes. This involves setting achievable goals, refining our ability to manage our time appropriately, staying motivated and dedicated to continuous improvement. Victory can be achieved in multiple aspects of our existence by adopting the self-help ideology and incorporating it into our daily routine. As we conclude this presentation, I would like to encourage you to take these key lessons and adjust them to your own life. Keep in mind that implementing self-help practices is not a one-time event, but rather a lifelong voyage towards personal expansion and contentment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more value. Goodbye and see you in the next video.